What's up, YouTube? It is about 5:30 in the morning and I am on my way to the kitchen. I have an order to fulfill for today. Some lemon cupcakes, and I'm just grabbing some gas right now because I don't want to run out of gas. I was really pushing it. So, and it's raining and it's cold. I'll kind of show you the kitchen when I get there. I do try to like get in and get out because I'm paying for my time. I don't want to be wasting any time, but I will kind of show you guys the kitchen and where I'm working at. The kitchen that I rent out. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright, so I just got downtown to the kitchen. Well, going into the kitchen. So I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the loading dock. And this is how I get in. There's a lot of different companies. This is a shared kitchen, so it's a lot of entrepreneurs that use this kitchen. Elevator. It's early. I am a little tired. And one of my kids got up early, so I really didn't get any sleep last night or this morning or whenever I ended up going to bed. But we're here, we worked through it. Alright, so it looks like I'm like the first person here this morning. Maybe, I don't know. So back there is the dry storage. It's loud in here. Oh no, someone's here, so this is the kitchen. I'm here. So I am going to cut on the oven so it can start preheating, and then I'm going to grab all my stuff and put this on 325, and then I'm gonna grab a cart and get going. So I'll check in maybe in the process. Alright, so this is my setup here. That's all my ingredients, and I'm about to get started. So I'll let you guys probably see some of the process and then the finished result. Alright, so my cupcakes are in the oven, and I just put my dishes in the dishwasher so I can start on my buttercream for the cupcakes. I almost put peppermint in these cupcakes, and they're supposed to be lemon. Like, I almost used a peppermint extract. So thank God I caught myself. But yeah, this the kitchen. These windows, I love these windows. But yeah, this is the kitchen. It's other people here right now. They are making breakfast and it smells really good. I don't know what the name of this catering company is, but they're making some yummy food. I don't know if you can see it over there, but they got some stuff going, some potatoes and stuff. So that's one of the perks of being in this kitchen, is that sometimes you get to taste things that other people are making, and then sometimes you get to share your goodies with people. So it's kind of nice when you build like a community of entrepreneurs and people just chasing their dreams, and it's like really cool. It's like a cool network of people. So yes. So we got our buttercream in here, and I have the cupcakes cooling in the cooler. And here is the final product. Happy birthday. Alright, so I am on my way home. I am all done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Bye.